It's NAB 2025 and we are just about done with our booth interviews. We've been going around the halls for the last 4 days now, interviewing exhibitors about the latest innovations. And as normal, we like to show you the rig we've been using.
That's my cue. Right, so where do we start? We've, as our trusty, the Canon XF605, number one, number two camera, you know, horses for courses. Use a camcorder in these environments, in my opinion. I still don't get why you walk around with DSLRs sometimes at these events. The camera feeds into the Ninja 5.
Which we're powering this year. We're powering off of a DTAP. Going on to an IDX i Micro 150. We're using two types of Micro 150. There's a new one now that has a USB-C output, which we're using. We'll show you that in a second.
Yeah, so the Ninja, everything's recorded locally on the Ninja for security. Always have your media in as many places as you possibly can. Actually, we proved it this year because we did. This is a tip: don't hot swap drives in a Ninja thinking that you can. We had a moment where we had to correct that, so you know, yeah, good tip.
We've had several moments.
We've had a couple of moments, yeah. Let's not tell them everything. And this is hardwired to the to zero.
Got the Ethernet cable going out.
Yeah.
We'll go down a bit further in a second, but just before we go around there, we've got the SWIT battery powering the Canon. We tend to go through, well, that's on 2, and we've had that for the whole day. We tend to go through 2 of these batteries a day. Very good. And we're SDI out of the camera, feeding the Ninja. Oh, and our trusty Sennheiser HD25 headphones on that.
Absolutely. Okay, so if we're going down, we might as well mention the tripod at this point then. The Manfrotto, it's the fast unlock, so one action on each leg to lift it up and down. It's the Nitrotech 612 head. Yeah, I like it. Do you know, it took a while to get used to it, but
it has some hard ground between North Hall and South Hall. They're building a new hall, and the ground's pretty uneven, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you're literally going across a uneven car park, but it stood up well.
Is
this a Manfrotto dolly as well?
It's a Vinton dolly.
Vinton dolly.
That we've had for years, but of course it's all part of the same family now. So yeah, it runs. It's
microphones here. We're obviously not recording these using these because we're holding these here.
Yeah.
But these are the Sennheiser MD46 reporter mics. Again, we tend to, where we can, use wired mics just for no batteries to charge, no licenses, anything like that. We do have a Sennheiser AVX system in the box if any of our guests need to have their hands free. So we do take that out occasionally.
It's not an environment for wireless.
We haven't found so, no. And it's also more for me to charge every evening as well, the batteries.
There you
Engo 3 here. So this is the bonded cellular bit of magic that we're using to get our files out there. We're using it in a gateway mode, hardwired to the Ninja, and the Ninja now uploads as it's recording. So literally by the time we've left the booth, the DeZero has helped us upload that to Frame.io. Luke back in the UK is editing them, and
that's why we can get you the video so quickly.
Yeah,
before the end of the show. So
down at the bottom, you're seeing the latest addition to the our dolly tripod enhancement. We always need space, don't we, to carry stuff.
Yeah, we're carrying a lot of stuff around.
Actually, we've been carrying a lot of socks this year. KitPlus socks. Anyone who's had an interview with us will hopefully be wearing these. Hopefully.
You never know, we might put them on the market. Sell them.
But in the box, we've got dozens of batteries to keep us going all day. We've got the spare microphones should we need them. We've got spare cables,
prompters.
Once we're out in a hall, we want to be self-sufficient. So pretty much everything we need all day is in the box. We need to enhance it, don't we? We need to put a fan on there because it is does get a bit warm in there if you put batteries and stuff in there. And that's why the DeZero is on top, because it overheats if you get it into the pizza box.
There you go. So yeah, that's pretty much the kit we've been using here. Oh, one last thing.
Oh, we've been lighting people as well, haven't we?
We do light people. On this occasion, it's not the only light we ever use, but on this occasion we chose the SWIT 1x1. It's powerful enough. Do you know, if we turn it on now, I bet you there we go, we're only using it on 9%. So it's enough just to give that the face a bit of a lift so that we can see what's going on.
It's obviously dimmable, color temperature changeable.
Yeah.
And of course, we're using the IDX battery to power that and a Manfrotto lighting stand to support it. So that's all good. You can find all of the content that we're doing on our YouTube channel. You can just Google KitPlus YouTube or Google KitPlus, or go to kitplus.com/TV. We should. Sorry, you're going to say something?
I was going to say, and of course, have a look at the other video. We're going to do another video of the studio that we've been running over here.
Yeah, we've been working with our friends from the IABM, and we've set up a 4-camera studio with PTZ Optics and loads of other partners helping us do that.
Yeah.
We've been working with IBC. We've been recording some of their videos for them as well. And I guess we should thank DeGiro, Atomos, IDX.
Everybody. Canon, Sennheiser.
Liebeck have been providing us the support in the studio upstairs, and as Matt says, we'll show you another video on that. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoy the videos, enjoy the socks, and we'll see you next time.